My name is Harris.
My name is Taqwa.
My name is Ibrahim.
My name is Maisa.
My name is Hafiz.
They call it the land of 100,000 welcomes. It really made me feel alive. I felt like it's my own homeland. I didn't feel like I'm something different from the world over here.
Because the country I came from is really hot. The Irish weather, a bit cool. The rain, actually, I love the rain.
So when I first came here, it was very different. Obviously, at 4 years of age, I didn't know what was going on. Why do we have to move from Afghanistan? I like the way that the people of Ireland, they're easygoing, they're friendly, they're welcoming to new people coming to Ireland. They've accepted us as one of their own.
No, we love it here, actually. I grew up in England initially as a youngster, so I can make the association, but I feel here they're much more friendlier, they're warmer people.
When I heard that I'm coming to Ireland, so I was so happy. And exactly what I heard about them, kind people, it's in front of me now. So I'm so happy for that.
Well, everywhere there is the good and the bad.
Yes, of course, the people do have misconcept about Islam.
Unfortunately, Islam at the moment, it's been conveyed as not really a peaceful religion. In Islam, we're taught to treat our neighbour with respect, with kindness.
Really, the thing I can tell most people is don't listen to what somebody else has to say about it. If you want to know the truth about something, read for yourself and educate yourself. There's so many misconceptions about the religions. There's so many people who try to skew it, whatever religion it is, into a different kind of a light, which meets their own agendas. So if you want to learn about the truth about Islam, read for yourself, understand it. There's plenty of information everywhere.